Thyme Marinated Chicken Breast Recipe. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons fresh thyme leaves, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, zest and juice of 1 lemon, salt and black pepper to taste, fresh thyme sprigs for garnish. Instructions: prepare the marinade. In a bowl, combine olive oil, chopped thyme, minced garlic, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Season with salt and black pepper. Mix well to create the marinade. Marinate the chicken. Place the chicken breasts in a shallow dish or a Ziploc bag. Pour the marinade over the chicken, ensuring they are well coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to let the flavors infuse. Preheat the grill or pan. Preheat your grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. Make sure it's well-oiled to prevent sticking. Grill the chicken. Remove the chicken from the marinade, allowing excess to drip off. Grill the chicken breasts for about 6 to 7 minutes per side, or until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius and have beautiful grill marks. Cooking time may vary based on the thickness of your chicken breasts. Rest and serve. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the grill and let them rest for a few minutes. Resting allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the chicken moist and flavorful. Garnish and serve. Garnish the chicken breasts with fresh thyme sprigs for a pop of color and added aroma. Serve your thyme marinated chicken breasts with your favorite side dishes, such as roasted vegetables, a fresh salad, or a light grain pilaf. Enjoy. Enjoy the succulent and aromatic thyme marinated chicken, a perfect blend of flavors that will satisfy your taste buds. This dish is ideal for a wholesome lunch or dinner option.